Is the dark side of the moon really always dark? It's a phrase we hear all the time, in movies, in music. But what if I told you it's one of the biggest misconceptions about our celestial neighbor? Let's shed some light on this, literally. First, let's get our terms straight. The side of the moon we cut and see from Earth isn't called the dark side by astronomers. They call it the far side. So why can we only see one side? It's because of something called tidal locking or synchronous rotation. Imagine you're the Earth and your friend is the moon. If your friend walks in a circle around you, but keeps their face pointed towards you the entire time, you'll never see the back of their head. That's exactly what the moon does. Over billions of years, Earth's gravity has pulled on the moon, slowing its rotation until the time it takes to spin once on its axis is the same as the time it takes to orbit the Earth, about 27.3 days. One rotation, one orbit. It's a perfect cosmic dance that keeps one side perpetually facing us. So, does this far side ever see sunlight? Absolutely. Just like Earth, the moon has a day and a night. As the moon orbits the Earth, different parts of it are illuminated by the sun. Think about the phases of the moon. When we see a new moon, the moon is between the Earth and the sun. The side facing us is dark, but the far side, it's fully lit up. It's experiencing its full moon or midday. Conversely, when we see a full moon, the Earth is between the sun and the moon. The side facing us is completely illuminated. And the far side? It's plunged into its own midnight, experiencing total darkness. The only place on the moon that is in near perpetual darkness is not a whole side, but deep craters near the poles where the sun's rays never reach. Scientists are actually really interested in these spots because they might contain water ice. So the dark side of the moon is a myth. It gets just as much sunlight as the side we see. A more accurate name would be the far side of the moon. It's not permanently dark, just permanently hidden from our view here on Earth. Until the space age, we had no idea what it looked like. It was the Soviet Luna 3 probe in 1959 that gave us our very first glimpse of this mysterious territory. And what it revealed was a landscape very different from the near side, with far fewer of the large, dark plains called Maria. Isn't it amazing how a simple phrase can create such a lasting misunderstanding? Space is full of these fascinating details. So next time you hear someone mention the dark side of the moon, you'll know the real story. Thanks for joining me on this little cosmic journey. If you enjoyed debunking this myth with me, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures through science and space. See you in the next video.